Introduce highlight features or overview summary for ZOOPEEN Food Vacuum Sealer Machine. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: long-lasting preservation of sealing. Our food vacuum sealing machine only needs 10 to 15 seconds to complete the vacuum sealing of food. And vacuum sealing can keep food fresh 10 times longer than general storage methods. This is the perfect solution to make food fresher and more lasting. Reduce your food bill and waste leftovers with our high-quality vacuum sealing machine. Once sealed and frozen, your favorite food can be kept for 1 year or even longer. Easy to use. Our food vacuum sealing machine is operated by a fully automatic one-button sealing machine. It has 3 operation modes: single air pumping, single sealing, and one-button automatic. Suitable for meat, seafood, fruits, vegetables, nuts, bread, cans, snacks and so on. Meet all your needs. Small size and light design, super convenient operation and function. Even the elderly and children can be good partners in the family kitchen. Easy to store and multifunctional. Suitable for vacuum sealed bags 10.5 inch or 27 cm wide. 90 watt and 60 kPa ensure maximum air extraction when sealing larger items. External vacuum design, with air hose can be extracted from the can of vacuum storage. Uneaten potato chips can also be single-sealed for preservation. Back hook storage design, hanging on the wall does not occupy a position. ZOOPEEN Food Vacuum Sealer. Do you want to prolong the freshness of food? Do you want to lock the nutrition while cooking? Do you want to reduce food bills and waste of leftovers? Come try this magical vacuum sealing machine for household food. It keeps your food stored longer and healthier, and reduce food bills and waste of leftovers. You will love this way of cooking. Easy to use, even children and the elderly can easily use it to seal food. Become a good partner in your home kitchen. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us, and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.